If you're here, it may not be because something dramatic happened. Maybe your life looks fine on the outside, but inside there's a quiet heaviness, a sense that something ended, that something meaningful is gone, even if you can't name what. This meditation is for that feeling, not to fix it, not to explain it, but to give it space. Because sorrow doesn't ask for answers, it asks to be felt. Before we begin, know this: you don't need to go back in time. You don't need to remember anything. You don't need to relive pain. We are working only with what your body feels now. When you're ready, let your body settle into a position that feels supportive. You might sit, you might lie down. Let the body choose. Gently close your eyes. Take a slow breath in through your nose and a longer breath out through your mouth. Again. With every exhale, your nervous system receives a simple message. It's safe to slow down. Nothing else is required. Bring your attention out of your thoughts and into your body. Notice where your body is supported. Let your shoulders soften. Let your jaw unclench. Let your belly be loose. You are not doing this perfectly. You are doing it honestly. Now gently ask yourself, where do I feel this heaviness in my body? You're not looking for a reason. You're not searching for a memory. Only sensation. Sorrow often lives in the chest, around the heart, deep in the belly. When you find the place, let your attention rest there. Now simply stay. Don't analyze the feeling. Don't push it away. Don't rush it. Just feel it. If it feels heavy, feel heaviness. If it feels dull, feel dullness. If it feels empty, feel emptiness. Say gently inside, I allow this feeling to be here. I don't need to change it. This matters. Notice how the body responds to being allowed. Now bring your breath directly into this place. Inhale gently, as if your breath could touch the feeling. Exhale slowly, as if the body could soften around it. Breath is not here to remove sorrow. Breath is here to stay with it. Take a few slow breaths like this. Now, from your adult self, speak gently to this place in your body. Not to fix it, not to change it, just to be with it. Say inside, I know something important ended. And it makes sense that this feels heavy. I don't need to understand everything right now. I don't need answers to be present. I'm here with you. You're not alone with this anymore. You don't have to carry this by yourself. Thank you for holding this for so long. Thank you for protecting me in the only way you knew how. It's okay to soften now. It's okay to feel. Let these words land not in your thoughts, but directly in the body. Notice how the body responds when it is met with respect, love, and permission. As you continue breathing, notice what happens naturally. With each exhale, the body may release a little tension. Not because you force it, but because it's allowed. Exhale and let go of what is ready to go. Inhale, space. Stay here for a few breaths. Now notice what's left. Maybe softness, groundedness, quiet presence, gentle sadness without weight. This is sorrow being integrated, not erased, not forgotten, but held. Begin to notice the room around you, the sounds, the light. Take one deeper breath in. And a full exhale out. Move your fingers, your shoulders, and when you're ready, open your eyes. You are here, and now you know. Even quiet sorrow needs space, and allowing is what heals.